Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that might just be the perfect accessory for your iPhone, the ZAGG Glass Screen Protector. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the ZAGG Glass Screen Protector is all about. This screen protector is designed specifically for various iPhone models, including the iPhone 17e, 16e, 14, 13, and 13 Pro. What sets it apart is its impressive 3x shatter protection compared to an unprotected screen. This means that if you happen to drop your phone, the chances of your screen cracking or shattering are significantly reduced, thanks to its robust tempered glass construction and reinforced edges. One of the standout features of the ZAGG Glass Plus is its ion matrix technology. This technology not only helps in defending against drops and dings but also offers an exceptional level of scratch resistance. Have you ever experienced the frustration of tiny scratches appearing on your screen just because you tossed your phone in your pocket with your keys? With the ZAGG Glass Plus, those worries can be put to rest. The precision surface finishing process ensures that even minor contact with sharp objects won't ruin your display. Another fantastic aspect of this screen protector is its oil-resistant surface. We all know how annoying it can be to constantly wipe fingerprints off our screens. With the ZAGG Glass Plus, you'll find that the visibility of smudges and fingerprints is dramatically reduced. Plus, it doesn't interfere with your phone's touch sensitivity, so you can enjoy using your device just as you normally would. The design of the ZAGG Glass Plus is sturdy yet sleek. Its reinforced edges are specifically crafted to protect the vulnerable corners and edges of your iPhone screen. This feature is essential, as chips and cracks can often start from the edges of the screen and spread over time. With this screen protector, you're not just protecting your display, you're extending its lifespan and maintaining the pristine look of your device. Now, let's talk about who this product is suitable for. If you're someone who leads an active lifestyle, you know how easily smartphones can be damaged. Whether you're hiking, biking, or simply juggling everyday tasks, the ZAGG Glass Plus offers that added layer of protection. It's also perfect for parents with young kids who may not always handle devices with utmost care. For anyone who's ever had their phone slip out of their hands, this screen protector can be a lifesaver. In terms of practical use cases, consider a scenario where you're at a family gathering, taking pictures with your iPhone. The last thing you want is to be worried about a drop leading to a shattered screen. With the ZAGG Glass Plus, you can focus on capturing those moments without the anxiety of potential damage. Or perhaps you're commuting and your phone is jostling around in your bag. This screen protector will ensure that your device remains safe from any accidental knocks or scratches. Lastly, let's touch on installation. Unlike many screen protectors that can be a hassle to apply, the ZAGG Glass Plus features an easy-apply installation system with a tray and tabs. This makes the installation process not only straightforward but also bubble-free. Even if you're not the most tech-savvy person, you'll find this process to be quick and easy. In conclusion, the ZAGG Glass Plus Screen Protector for iPhone is a reliable choice for anyone looking to protect their device from the wear and tear of everyday life. With its impressive features and user-friendly installation, it's a worthy investment for your smartphone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.